GOCLEAN Cleaning Machine 9.0, Microparticle Dry Ice Machine. Installation process of Microparticle Dry Ice Machine. First we introduce how to install the 0.1 to 0.2 mm Microparticle Dry Ice Machine. We will call it A for short. Step 1. Connect the air pipe of machine A to the air compressor, but don't turn on the air compressor. Step 2. Connect air inlet of the machine A. Step 3. Connect the dry ice blasting pipe and power line with machine A. Step 4. Finally, connect the ice pipe, power line and spray gun together. Step 5. Connect the cable wire of machine. Operation steps of Microparticle Dry Ice Machine. Before machine operation, please wear the mask, the gloves, and the anti-noise headphones. Now we are going to show you 0.1 to 0.2 mm Microparticle Dry Ice Cleaning System operation. Prepare a size dry ice brick. The size should be 150 mm asterisk 150 mm asterisk 300 mm. Then put the dry ice brick into dry ice brick storage device and close the door. Now we can get power of the machine by spinning the emergency on/stop button. After the screen light on, please press enter the system button to open the operation interface. Finally press on off button to start the machine. Next you need to press the button pushing ice in bin, and now please adjust dry ice blasting degree to the best degree to clean your target objective. Finally, please open the air compressor machine. Wait for another 30 seconds. Then you can open the gun to clean.